Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the what is meant by integrity and unity in diversity, and the different religions that are in our country and the founders. Okay, national emblems and art, literature and music, art, music and literature. Okay, so all these things we discussed here in this class. Okay, before going to discuss all these things, so just we recall what we discussed in last class. In last class we discussed about the unity in diversity and integration. So observe, you should observe these pictures and discuss with your friends about the diversities in these pictures. Okay, so the dress or costumes of the people seen in the picture are different. So one picture is different from other picture. So why they are different from other picture means, so because the dress code or costumes of the people are different. So that's why, so one picture is different from another picture. Okay, so here is India is a land of many religion, hence people follow variety of costume customs. So Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism and Jainism are the major religions of India. So I will once again repeat it. Major religions in India are Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism and Jainism are the major religions of India. So besides followers of other religion are also found in the country. So that's why we called as India is a land of many religions. Okay, so you should know these facts. So people belonging to different religions, so live in the same street or road with love and affection. Okay, so many people belonging to the different religions, so live in the same street or also same road. So with how they are live, so with love and affection with each other. Okay, so next, the people of all religions travel together in the bus, train and airplane. Okay, the people belonging to the different religions, okay, travel together, so in the bus, train and aeroplane and etc. So next, the people of various religions participate in one another. The people of various religions participate in one another religious festivals and functions and greet each other. Okay, so people of various religions so participate in one another religious festivals and functions and greet each other. Okay, so and also the people belonging to different religions so participate in the urus, fairs, festivals and processions with devotion and excitement. Okay, so the people belonging to the different religions participate in the urus, fairs, festivals and processions with devotion with devotion and excitement. Okay, so respecting all religions, living together in peace, respecting all the religions, so living together in a peace and so having the feeling so that we are all Indians, so that we are all Indians, so that we call it as integrity. So I will once again repeat it. So respecting all the religions, living together in a peace and having the feeling that we are all Indians. So this feeling we call it as integrity. Okay. So and also you should know this fact. So in our country, that means in our India, okay, there is a diversity in landforms and also river system, so and climate and types of soils, plants and animals and natural resources and methods of agriculture and our occupations, religions, caste system, languages, food habits, So dress customs and regional culture are also have diversity, but we live together as a people of one country. So this is known as unity in diversity. So I will once again repeat it. In our country, that means in our India, so there is a diversity in land forms, river system, climate, types of soils, okay, so plants and animals, natural resources, so methods of agriculture, our occupations, religions, so caste system, languages, food habits, so dress customs, regional culture also have diversity, but we live together as a so people of one country. So this is known as unity in diversity. Okay. So observe the picture, match the following by drawing lines. Okay. So first one is so Gautama Buddha. So Gautama Buddha is a so founder of which religion? Buddhism. Okay. Second one. So second one belongs to Islam. Okay. Third one, so Christianity. Fourth one, Jainism. So next, sixth one, Hinduism. So next, seventh one, Sikhism. Okay. So first one, Buddhism. Second one, so Islam. Third one, Christianity. So fourth one, Jainism. So fifth one, Hinduism. So seventh one, Sikhism. So all these are the different religions that are in our country. Okay. So there are different religions that are Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Hinduism, Islam and Jainism. So all these are the so pictures of so founder of that specific religion. Okay. So here is a Gautama Buddha is a so founder of Buddhism. Muhammad Paigambar is a founder of Islam. Yesu Christa is a founder of Christianity. So next, Mahavira is a founder of Jainism. Okay, Guru Nanak is a founder of Sikhism. So all these are the different religions and with their founders. Okay. So next, so you should do this. Wear the costume of different states for your school functions and exhibit integrity. So once in a week, sing a song of food, goodwill with your friends. So in next class we discuss national emblems and their importance. Thank you, madam.